Lewis dot diagram. Well, it is the simplest way to show valence electrons around the atom. What are the valence electrons? Well, there are electrons that go around the most outer level of the atom. So think about a special planetary system, like this one. Except the difference is the outer level, you can basically dig it up. What are we going to do with those things that are digged up? Well, we're going to use it like a currency. We can exchange or we can give it up like donation, or we can even take it into the outer layer. Okay, let's draw Lewis dot diagram using the valence electron of carbon atom. First of all, let's check its ID first. Carbon is located at number 6 position of the periodic table, which is located on the period 2 and group number 14. Except when it comes to valence electron, we count the vertical column a little differently. Long story short, carbon has 4 valence electrons. So how can we draw Lewis dot diagram? First thing first, we're gonna put gigantic C at the center. Then next, we're gonna decide direction, like vector. We can do counterclockwise or clockwise, but I have a little OCD, so I'm gonna do clockwise. Lastly, we're gonna put valence electron around each of the corner, north, east, south, west, whatever the direction that you chose, but one of each. So what are we gonna do with those? Well, first, carbon can have up to 4 single bonds using those 4 lonely dots because they are not paired. You can pair it up with others. Or what we can do is, kind of rare, but you can decide to donate all 4 electrons to other atoms and somehow become positively charged cation. Lastly, you can decide to accept other 4 electrons from neighboring atoms, which is also rare, but you can turning into negatively charged anion. Let's do one more. What about oxygen atom? Oxygen atom has more valence electrons. Like before, we're gonna decide a direction. I'm gonna go clockwise one more time due to my OCD. Remember, oxygen has 6 electrons. Because there are 6 electrons, you may notice that top and right side electrons are paired, left and bottom sides are alone. So that means 2 single bonds are possible, one on the left, one at the bottom, or oxygen can decide either to donate those one on the left, one at the bottom, and become cation, or accept one on the left and make it as a pair, and so as the bottom one, and become an anion. You may wonder, what happened to the one at the top and one on the right side that are paired? Long story short, they're okay. Do you know why? Because they are couples already. They are called lone pairs, the one on the top, one on the right side. They're good the way they are, and they occupy some space.
If you know, you know.